Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Duart, Ontario. This quaint village is nestled within the municipality of Chatham-Kent in Southwestern Ontario. Duart's name is derived from Duart Castle, the ancestral home of the MacLean clan, on the Isle of Mull in Scotland, reflecting the Scottish heritage of many early settlers in the area. Geographically, Duart is situated south of Highway 401, providing convenient access to larger cities like London and Windsor. The surrounding landscape is characterized by picturesque farmland and natural beauty, offering residents and visitors a serene environment to enjoy. In summary, Duart, Ontario is a charming village steeped in history and community pride. Its rich heritage, combined with the tranquility of rural life, makes it a unique and welcoming place to visit or call home.
Thanks for watching!